Why hard link cannot be created for a directory in Linux? A hard link cannot be created for a directory in Linux, as a general rule, due to technical and safety reasons that relate to file system consistency and preventing recursive loops. Here's why in detail. 1. Preventing directory looping, circular references. A hard link creates another name for the same inode. If directories were allowed to be hard linked, it would be easy to accidentally create loops in the directory structure. This would break the tree-like hierarchy of the file system, making it impossible to traverse reliably using tools like find, backups, or recursive deletions. Example problem: SQL. Copy. Edit. /home/user/docs hard linked to /home/user/docs_copy. Now both have the same inode. If you cd into one and again into the other, you could loop infinitely. 2. File system integrity. Tools like FSCK, file system check, assume a tree hierarchy with a single parent per directory. Hard links to directories would violate this assumption, making recovery, maintenance, and repairs dangerous or unreliable. 3. Exception: dot and double dot are special hard links. In every directory, dot is a hard link to itself. Double dot is a hard link to its parent directory. These are carefully managed by the file system to maintain hierarchy. 4. Root can force it, but it's dangerous. Technically, it's possible to hard link directories using low-level tools like debugs or enabling fs.protected_hardlinks is equal to 0, but it's strongly discouraged. Most file systems and kernel configurations explicitly block it for safety. White heavy checkmark: use a soft link instead. If you want to refer to a directory from another location, the recommended way is bash. Copy. Edit. ln/original/dir/linked/dir. This avoids the inode sharing issues of hard links.